Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a pending payment on the App Store. Here's the important thing to know. If a payment is stuck or pending, you can't stop it directly. The App Store requires the transaction to go through first. So make sure your Apple ID has a valid, verifiable payment method so the purchase can complete successfully. Once the payment is processed, go back to your home screen and open a web browser. In the address bar, type reportaproblem.apple.com and log in with your Apple ID. After logging in, click the drop-down menu and choose Request a Refund. Select a reason for your refund, like, I didn't mean to purchase this. Then pick the app or item in question and hit Submit. Once you've requested a refund, the Apple team will review it and issue your money back if it qualifies. To prevent future issues, consider canceling any active subscriptions linked to that purchase. Remember, you can't stop the charge while it's processing, but requesting a refund after the transaction is the fastest way to get your money back. That's it. I hope this guide helps you manage pending payments on the App Store. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.